Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to use promo code in OlympTrade account. So first of all, launch up an OlympTrade application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here OlympTrade application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to use the promo code, you'll have to go to the deposit interface. For that, tap on the payments icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like deposit, withdraw, internal transfer, transactions. Tap on the first option, deposit. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to specify the amount that you want to deposit. You can see over here you'll be able to specify the deposit amount. Likewise, you'll also have to choose the payment method. Tap on the field of payment method. After that, you can see over here you'll be able to choose the payment method. So if you want to use the promo code, what you have to do is tap on the option promo code. Now you can see over here you will be led to this kind of interface. You can use the promo codes to unlock useful trading tools and features. Simply tap on the option enter promo code. Now you'll be able to enter the promo code over here. Tap on the field, enter your promo code. Now what you have to do is simply enter your promo code over here. Make sure to enter the correct promo code. Now after you enter your promo code, tap on the option check promo code. After that, the promo code will be applied and the features will be unlocked. So like this, you'll be able to use the promo code. So that is how you use promo code in OlympTrade account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.